Hey everyone, in today's video, I am going to show you how to refund a game on Steam. So let's get started. So here we are on Steam, and from here what we're gonna do is once you're logged in into your account, you wanna click on your profile name right here in the top right, click on account details, and then from here you should now be able to see this button, view purchase history. So just click this. And then from here, you would want to navigate to the transaction here that you would want to refund. So for example, I want to go for this one. So I'm going to click here. And from here, I can click here on I'd like to request a refund. So this is the item that I would want to refund. Click here. And then from here, as you can see that you can submit your request and they will respond as soon as possible. So here, so in this case, in this item, I wouldn't be able to submit this refund right here because it has already been consumed. So in that case, it will not be available for refund anymore. But if your item is available, then you should be able to proceed with the next steps. All you have to do is just click here on the refund button right here, and then just proceed with the on-screen instructions. And they might ask you to leave more details, like you want to describe why you would want to get a refund and so on. So yeah, that is basically it. All you have to do is just submit your request and they will review it, and once it's approved, you will now receive your refund. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.